tables on the shore. We eat a picnic lunch, oh, there's so much more. At the beach, it's so much fun. We won't want to go when the day is done. At the beach, what else is there? I hear the waves and the birds in the air. We laugh and play all through the day. When the sun goes down, we wish we could stay. At the beach, we had fun. We don't want to go, but our day is done. At the beach, we had fun. We don't want to go, but our day is done. Click on the next activity.
Environments. Ocean Beach. Environments Guide. Each book in the Environments series teaches about an environment on Earth. Our Earth has many different environments. 6 of the main types of environments are grassland, marine, forest, desert, tundra, and freshwater. These 6 kinds of environments are called biomes. As you learn about each environment, it is important to notice how hot or cold it is. This is called temperature. It is also important to notice how much rain and snow there is in each environment. This is called precipitation. The color used for the cover of each Environments series book tells you which biome the environment is in. Grassland, marine, forest, desert, tundra, freshwater. Each cover also has small pictures at the top called icons that tell you about the temperature and precipitation for that environment. Temperature, colder, hotter. Precipitation, less rain and snow, more rain and snow. This is an ocean beach. An ocean beach is a place where the ocean and the land meet. Beaches can be sandy or rocky. Ocean beaches can be found throughout the world. The ocean beach environment that you will learn about in this book is in Southern California. Many interesting animals make their homes among the rocks and sand of an ocean beach. The brown pelican is a large bird that lives near the water. What makes the pelican unusual is the pouch of skin under its beak. The brown pelican catches fish by diving into the ocean and filling its pouch with water. When the water drains away, the pelican swallows the fish that are left behind. The herring gull has a curved beak and large, powerful wings. Because it likes to live near the ocean, the herring gull is often called a seagull. Unlike most animals, herring gulls can drink salty water from the ocean if they need to. This creature is called a hermit crab. Like other crabs, the hermit crab has 10 legs and a body with no bones. But unlike other crabs, the hermit crab does not grow a hard covering all over the outside of its body. Instead, hermit crabs live in the shells of other creatures. The California grunion does something very unusual. This fish crawls out of the water and onto the beach at certain times of the year. The female grunion digs a hole with her tail and lays her eggs in the sand. Then she lets the next big wave carry her back to the ocean. Because beaches are either sandy or rocky, very few plants grow on them. American beach grass is a tall grass that does not need much water and grows well in sand. Its strong roots help to hold the sand of the beach in place. American beach grass provides shelter and food for many beach animals, including seagulls and small rodents like mice and rats. This is a tide pool. A tide pool is a puddle of ocean water that can be found among the rocks of ocean beaches. Many interesting things live in tide pools. Seaweed is often found on the beach. It looks like a plant, but it's actually a different kind of living thing called algae. Seaweed uses sunlight to make food like real plants do, but it has no roots, stems, or leaves. Many types of seaweed can be found in tide pools. Sea anemones are animals that look like brightly colored flowers. They can be red, purple, green, orange, and white. On ocean beaches, sea anemones can be found attached to rocks in tide pools. The California mussel is a small animal with no bones that lives inside a hard oval shell. Mussels usually live clumped together, attached to rocks in shallow water or tide pools. Many people like to eat mussels, as do birds and other beach animals. Clams, like mussels, are small animals with soft bodies that use two shells for protection. Clams are different from mussels, however, because they are not attached to rocks. They bury themselves in the sand and use a long tube called a siphon to eat tiny plants and animals. Now you know a few fascinating facts about ocean beaches, tide pools, and some of the interesting creatures that make their homes there. How many of these living things that can be found on an ocean beach can you name?
Click on the next activity.
Herring gull. Plants and animals of the ocean beach environment.
Click on the next activity.
Draw more beach animals. Write a sentence about what you see.
Clear. Done.
Click on the next.
Environments Museum. Help get the Environments Museum ready to open by putting the correct animals and plants into the displays.
Play.
Click on the correct animals and plants to place them in the display. Then click Done. The ocean beach environment is a low, flat place where the land meets the ocean. Incredible! The ocean beach environment. The desert environment gets very little rain or snow all year, so it's very dry. A tapir lives in a tropical rainforest. Try again. You got it. The desert environment. The tropical rainforest environment is hot and rainy all year. Fantastic! The the tropical rainforest environment. The mountain environment is often windy and cold, even in summer. Wonderful! The mountain environment. The prairie environment is a low, flat land covered in grass with few trees. Good job! The prairie environment. The deciduous forest environment has trees that lose their leaves for part of the year. You got it! The deciduous forest environment. Awesome!
Click on the next activity.
The beak. Can you find the word long? The pelican has a long beak.
Click on it.
1. Long, 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 long. No, 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 no. Much, much. Which, which. About, about. Ben, Ben. Mother, mother. Called, called. Much, much. Of. Ben, Ben. Done.
Click on the next activity.